fans, the worst has happened to Ekwensu Romasi Mami Water, alias Judy Iscariot. The worst has happened to her. Juju Ekwensu thought that nobody can do her anything. She thought that nobody can shake her. I don't know what she rely on, no. Because before person go get full conscience like that, say, full mind, say, nothing dey happen. Maybe papa na native doctor. Or papa na be the head of all the spiritualists. Because the way Juju Ekwensu take get confidence, say me Edochie no fit do anything. To the extent she come out on social media, she go dey drag me Edochie. Now she thief the husband though. Now she they still leave the husband for. Now she no still get rest of mind. Now she still dey drag the woman when she steal her husband for social media. Do I need to tell you people? Now they see her now. No be say they lie for her head. Now she dey drag me Edochie every time. Now she dey call me Edochie witch. Now she dey say me Edochie, if you come again, you will see. This is your last time. You are your main nation. There is nothing she's not done. Because she rely on something and she believe that me Edochie cannot do her anything. Maybe it's what you told her, or a native doctor, or a spiritualist. I don't know. But today, the worst has happened to her. The worst has happened to Juju Ekwensu. Juju Ekwensu don't they cry now. They find where it won't beg me Edochie. Hey, you go cry, come out for social media. There is no backyard begging. Mbano. You have to sit down the way you dey sit down for social media. They advise your Bola warriors. The same way you have to sit down and start begging me Edochie. Some of your fans will push you into fire. When you fall for inside the fire now, they go wash their hand. See Lord now. Do it, do it, do it. He dey inside prison. Juju Ekwensu Romasi Mami Water. I don't know whether now you they tell her say me Edochie is a weak woman. She can't do anything. It doesn't mean because this woman has been quiet in her marriage does not mean she will accept every unacceptable thing. It don't clear for Juju Ekwensu now. Now Juju Ekwensu they see wetin wan happen to her. Because it's there, the attention was on Yoyoyo. Now Yoyoyo that they drag for court. It don't reach Ekwensu Romasi Mami Water tunnel. These Nigeria courts, they are not smiling, no. Hey. Ekwensu Romasi Mami Water woke up this morning. I wanted to do transfer. Money no go. She was surprised. She said it's network. You know Nigeria now, there's always network problem. She said, no, it is network problem. She carried the other card. You know, go carry the other card. She get almost 4 cards. Almost 4 cards. You know, say people will not get work. Now they get many accounts pass. Many accounts or just they open now, whether to hope. Say one day money go come. Juju Ekwensu get almost 4 accounts. 4 accounts now she gets. She tried all, no one they go. Now she says something is wrong somewhere. Now she run kitty, run kata to bank. Says she don't know what is happening. It looked like they have hacker accounts. Now bank do their control. Now they tell Juju Ekwensu say our account has been frozen. Now they tell Juju Ekwensu say our account has been frozen. Juju Ekwensu say frozen for what? No say people will not go school now, so they shout. They not sabi ask questions. Say how come? Why? No, she dey shout. For 10 kobo wey dey inside account. She begin dey shout. Now the bank tell and say, order from the court. Do you have any court problem? Do you have any case in the courts? The account has been frozen by the courts. And they tell her, say, you go meet your lawyer. The one way bank no na be that. Order from the court. Your account, they don't sit down. Hey! Juju Ekwensu control the 4 accounts. The same thing. All freezing. Now, this Ekwensu Romasi Mami Water. Because of this 100 million naira, when they say me pay me Edochie, the court asked Juju Ekwensu which work they do. Juju Ekwensu say no they work. He said make the say no they work. Say na house they look after her children. They can't say, okay, oh. They can't ask Juju Ekwesu say, make he give them accounts. Juju Ekwesu can't give them Ame accounts. Meanwhile, she gets other 4. She refused to release those ones. He can't give them Ame accounts. Because okay. They ask her, say whether she dey work. He say no, they work. Give us your account, he give them one. He can't come out. So Juju Ekwesu thought that we are still in 1920. When it be say they won't track person down, they will take millions of years. They put them for newspaper, put them for NTA News, put them for waiting that they call the other one. This time around, they know they put person, this person is missing. Go put them for this thing. If they won't track you, they will track you. Juju Ekwesu thought that by giving the courts just only one account and lying that she is not working, that they can't trace her. When she gets 100 million naira to pay, when she have 100 million naira to pay, if you don't have money in the bank, they can't do you anything. Now when you get, you go. Now when you get, you go pay now. If you not get, they don't go do you anything. That is their mentality. That is what they believe. If I not get and they don't go do me anything, they will do you something. Now from inside Kirikiri, your family will find that money come. Inside Kirikiri, you go there until your family pay for you. You go there. Not be person go tell you, may you tell your family, say, I beg Mona say everything. They pay this money. So Juju Ekwesu was surprised. How they take trace the rest accounts. How they take trace everything. You know, say go Asaba, go out movie. You know, say she go Asaba, go out movie. That money that they paid her in the movie, when it transfer into account, that money, it draw the attention of the courts because all the accounts were under control. That money entered. And they must ask you the reason why you sent the money. The reason was written clear and straight. She had a movie with them, which she denied that she's a full-time mother in the house. She's a full-time babysitter of her children for us. Hey. So the attention enter. All the accounts now, they don't frozen all. Juju Ekwesu don't dey cry. She don't define how she want to beg me Edochie. Say she no get that money. The thing don't dey clear for Juju Ekwesu eye. Because they thought that me Edochie cannot do anything. She underrates me Edochie. Juju Ekwesu underrates me Edochie well. I don't know the lie where you tell her, but she believed that me Edochie cannot do anything. But you see today, she don't learn. And in a very hard way. Because as I talk to Nana, the same Juju Ekwesu is looking for me Edochie. To beg me Edochie, Pico, all account frozen. I bet those of una, Bola warrior wey dey buy a cloth, make una buy now. So that they will see money to pay our queen. Make una buy all those accounts. Imagine she want to open that account where close where she dey sell. She put Judy Ward. Now she take open the account. But even if she put Judy Ward for the account, her name that they take open now. Hey. My lovely fans, education is not a scam. Do you believe that me Edochie will be this ignorant? I don't believe it. It can never be me Edochie. Imagine she go there, go bank, open account. They ask you, say, give me your ID. You give them your ID. They use that to register the account. Then they can say the account is Judy Ward. Because the business way they do now Judy Ward. So Juju Ekwesu believe that they can't trace her. Because the name there is Judy Ward. Hey! Mr. Obasi, no wonder body they pepper the man. All the money he used to send Juju Ekwesu to school, wasted. All wasted. She no say they will still trace her with her name. all the accounts now, they don't seize her. She don't dey cry, they call me Edochie. Me Edochie, oh, me Edochie. Is it not the same me Edochie you said she's a witch? That if she fly come again, she no go survive her. She and her main nation. Internet no dey forget. Oh. Is it the same me Edochie you are calling to beg? Beg for what now? Hey, hey. One dash shall never end. Oh. You see me Edochie, she walks in a very quiet way. If you attack me Edochie can never true word with you. She can never fight you. She will go legally. Even if that legal road, they take her 3 years, she don't care. She will stand on that legal way until she get her justice. If she won't deal with Juju Ekwensu, she feel use her brother, who be Navy officer. They'll pack people, they'll go deal with Juju Ekwensu. But no, she's waiting for the courts. But no, she went the legal way. Now Juju Ekwensu don dey beg. She don dey beg. She don dey beg people, make they beg me Edochie. All the cloth, money wey take sell cloth, Judy World, they don't seize her. The money wey they pay her for Asaba movie, they don't seize her. Juju Ekwensu must pay 100 million naira. By thunder, by fire, she go pay her. By the time they collect all this one now, because the account is open, wherever the money is coming from, the money will still enter the account. But the fact remains that money will go to me Edochie. Not be she get them. The money does not belong to Juju Ekwensu. This kind of husband snatching, now waiting person need to reject. Oh, in this life, in another life, in another life. Juju Ekwensu is really going through a lot. My lovely fans, all account frozen. Juju Ekwensu in tears. In tears. Call the beg. The same woman when she insult, and they call the beg now. Chai, my people. Leave your comments in the comment section. This is Mero True Life Story. God bless you.